Okay, Bunny. Today we're going to talk about farm animals. Okay, can you give me a duck? A duck. Look at on paper. Thank you. Give me a buffalo. Buffalo. Well done. Yay. Give me a mouse. Mouse. Squeak, squeak. Give me a cat. Yay! Excellent. Give me a goat. Where is your goat? Yay! Yeah, it's a goat. Give me a pig. Yay! With an eye here, eye there. Give me a chicken. Give me a chicken. Give me a chicken. Bunny, Bunny. Bunny, what are you doing? Give me a chicken. Okay, give me a chicken. Give me. Thank you. Give me a rabbit. Rabbit. Bunny. Well done. And give me a sheep. Yeah, this is a sheep. High five. Wow, you do very well. Once again. High five. Boop, boop, boop. Yay.